Have you ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT create such amazing answers? It all starts with something called a prompt. A prompt is simply an instruction, question, or request that you give to an AI model. Prompts can ask AI to write content, generate images, summarize information, create code, and much more. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of the AI's response. This is why prompt engineering is important. Adding context and clear instructions helps AI deliver more useful answers. A prompt is the language we use to communicate with AI. Master prompting and you'll unlock the full power of artificial intelligence.